Hey, it's Rain here. And I know I've been quiet for a while, but I've been quiet for a reason. The reason being is because in my online journey, I have really been looking for an MLM company. A lot of people don't like to hear MLM, but you know what? If you want to make money online, if you want to make extra income, it's really the only way to go. It's one of the easiest businesses to get into. And there's great support within most of the systems that you see. There's great personal development training. It's kind of a really great way to get things happening. So one of the things, though, that I was looking for was a product that I could stand by, because certainly if you are going to get into the industry, you got to be able to stand by your product. I believe in that fully. You got to love the product. You got to be able to take the product. You got to have something that you're going to notice that's different within you, right? So along comes this little green pill. See? Check that. I'm going to put it up the camera. Yep, that little guy right there. And with this little guy, I'm going to take it now because I haven't taken mine. As you see, I just got out of the shower. Oh, I've been up for a long time, but I was doing my thing now. How do you like my Cat in the Hat mug? My daughter brought it back from Universal when she went on a trip there. I love it. I love Dr. Seuss, by the way. Oh, the places you'll go. Oh, the places you'll go with this little green pill. So let's get back there. I need another drink. Okay, comes in this great package here. It's called Elev8. The name of the company is Bepic. You know, originally it was designed to come out as a dietary supplement, okay? It's all food-based, natural food-based. Designed to be an energy booster, all right? However, they're finding more and more things that are happening. People that are taking this, there's more things happening to their body. And one of the reasons that it is that we're looking at adaptogen blends, okay? So primarily what's in this, I've got a reishi mushroom, chaga, rhodiola rosea, and cordyceps. Now, these basically, it's like ancient medicinal secrets, right? But what an adaptogen does is it gets into your body and it just, well, like it says, it adapts. But it's finding things to fix. Anyway, so you're still getting the mind boost, you're still getting the energy, you're getting clearer thinking, and it's all natural, right? So I've been taking it 2 months, 2 solid months. I also notice I'm dropping a couple pounds. Doesn't say that it's here to do that, but that's happening, and I know it's from this. My skin's getting better. I notice my skin's really starting to blend out. And I have rheumatoid arthritis. I don't know if anybody does. And I've always used a naturopath for treatments, and she's always really good at putting me into, what is it? Just lost my train of thought totally. Into remission. So, you know, I'm typically flaring up about every 3 years, and then whatever her magical ancient stuff she gives me, I go into remission. But I'd always had a little bit of a swelling in my hands, I noticed. Now, after taking this, I've even noticed that inflammation has subsided. I really, like, look, I can make these great fists, and and I know it's from this, okay? So that, I just want to share a little bit of that with you. But the name of the company is Bepic, okay? See Bepic here. I don't know if you see that. Bepic, which is a cool name, by the way. Elevates the product, right? So be active, be happy, be smart, be healthy. The marketing is pretty darn cool. It comes in a pack like this. Okay, so this is a 30-day supply, right? It comes wrapped like this. Okay, comes to your door like this, shipped in bubble wrap. Okay, now I always get the 2-pack because there's people that want it big time. It's gonna be something you want to share for sure. Yeah, it's kind of a cool design, and guess what? It's affordable. Even if you are, that's one of the things I really like about it too, is that it is so affordable. You know, some of the auto ships with some of these companies, it's it's crazy. There was one company that I was looking at, and it was almost $200 US. I'm in Canada, 200 US a month. But I didn't think the product was like really worthy of what I was getting out of it. So even if you're getting like the business builder pack, you're looking at 2 of these plus 10, right? So 1 of these, and it's $89.95 a month. If you just want a 1 month supply, you're looking at $49.95, and then you can go even half of that at $24.95. But that's all it takes, as low as $24.95 a month. It's not going to give you a full month's supply, but at least it's going to give you an opportunity to try it. So, good leadership in the company, good comp plan, but I'm going to have other material that's going to kind of back that. I just want to do just a short video just to say, hey, this little green pill is changing lives, you know, and I'm going to have a link on my blog to go and check out and listen to some of the calls, the weekly calls, where it is just how miraculously this thing is changing. My sister's using this right now too, because she's just been, wow, she's been exhausted. She's a nurse, so she works shift work, right? And she's finding it's just awesome to take too. So anyway, 2 months in, and I'm ready to start sharing this with the world. And we are in 180 different countries. This is a way to go, kids. It's the way to go. All right? So today, I want you to be epic. All right? Peace, love, and prosperity.